In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in HP DeskJet 2923 printer. This printer takes HP 68 ink cartridges. First we have to switch on the printer. Now take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. Remove the orange seal, so that's just here, so remove it. Remove it from both ink cartridges. Now open the front door. There is another door behind, push it down. The ink cartridges will move and come into the middle. So we just have to take them out. Press the ink cartridge down and take it out. Same with the other. Take your new ink cartridge. The black will go on the right hand side. Slide it in and push it in. You will hear a lock sound. Same with the color ink cartridge. Slide it in and push it in. Close this door. So that's the way we can replace the ink cartridges in this printer. Thanks for watching.